So Assalamu Alaikum friends, and how are you? I hope you are all fine, and I am back with another video tutorial of Photoshop because I was very busy in the last week, so that is why I can't came here with any videos. Right guys, and in today's video we are talking about the Photoshop next tutorial about the engraving text and engraving photo effects, which is you can see on the top of the screen of our video. And you have seen this image of the top of an dollar note, and we are going to use our image is created into the right order today. And so let's move on to the Photoshop, and I mean to say that let's move on to our PC work space. So alright guys, we have opened our Photoshop, and this is the image where we converted into that's engraving effect. So I have placed on this pattern onto the picture and transform into the picture we want. And as you can see, this is looking so cool and creative. So duplicate your layer and adjust your pattern where what you want on the picture. I'm just transforming and rescale the pattern where I want to be in the picture today. And then merge the layers, convert it to smart object, and then merge these layers again and rescale, and that's resize and then merge layers. Alright, and now select the marquee tool, make a selection around your relevant corners respectively. As you can see, the pattern is not really well to make the image right. So make a selection with the plus icon of the marquee tool, and then with the edit content I will fill on that layer, and then click on the auto and apply. And then click OK. It can be take some time. After the completion of this, make and deselect your selection. And then now it's time to move on our effect. So the background layer is normal, and we can new layer under this our background layer and make it the 50% gray color, and then fill it up. Alright, only 70 pixels. Sorry, 30 pixels. Okay, yeah. And then press on your keyboard from Alt Delete, and then foreground color will be filled up on your selected layer. And then convert this layer into a smart object with the image, adjustments, and shadow highlights. Click on that, and that's it. Make it amount to 35, and that's it. Click on to the OK button. Alright, now it's time to move on. And then drag to this and click on and then convert their style into the vivid light. Alright, and then now it's time to make another effect on this picture. So right, and then I have seen the pattern is not really well to do this, so I am going to select again my pattern and then content for our again another time on that selected pattern layer. And then press your keyboard Control Shift Backspace, and then new content here, and then OK. And it is filling. And now finally our work has been done, and as you can see our picture is made in level. And go to the adjustment layer, region to map, on that, and then make your country's note color on right there, and I'm going to select the green one, just write the OK, and then again to write the bottom one, and then make it to the just lighter gray, and OK. So as you can see, our pattern is looking so cool and deeply inserted. So I'm going to make this opacity of our pattern up to 80% and go again to the adjust the layer and create. It's time to make levels, and then make some levels to your picture, and it's going to be the darkest one. As you can see, that's the picture we wanted to be created in this video. And I hope you have understood my steps. So if you have not, then repeat again the video to understand well. So convert into the smart object and click the image and the adjustments and show it again. And then show the options, and this time 35, 50, 50, and note that all the properties which I have placed. But remember, your picture will be different properties than mine, because every picture has their own shadow quality and own their colors, RGB, opacity, monochrome. Like, okay, so go to blur and then surface blur, and then make to the radius about 40 pixels and threshold up to the 10. And that's it. As you can see, the preview of our, that's it. And I am going to select the 80% radius, okay, 80 pixels I'm supposed to say, and then click on that OK button. When you click OK, then your picture will be converted into a amazingly tasty. That's it. This is looking so cool right now. I know I'm doing very mistakes in this video. Then click on the merge layers. Now flatten image, and the flatten image, then as you can see, your image has been ready. Alright. And here is the last portion of our video, guys, and I'm very happy to see that you have reached this point and you have proved this to me. You are very confidently interested in my content, and this is my very hardworking player, and thank you so much to watch my video full, and we will meet in the next video. Goodbye.